Example 1, follow-up question. Children entering a kindergarten are given a test. It is known that the scores of the children taking the test can be modeled by a normal distribution with the variance 25. So we are talking about all the children, so it should be the population variance. And a random sample 20 children, so this one is the n. Entering the kindergarten has a mean score is 115, so this mean would be these 20 students, so would be the x bar would be the sample mean. And find a 95% confidence interval. So 95% confidence interval, which means that you have to substitute z equals to 1.96. So you have to find the 95% confidence interval for the mean score of all the children taking the test. So if you can get all the information from the questions, and if you remember the formula, then I think the rest would be very easy. Okay, so please stop this video and try to do it yourself. Please check the answer. Example 2, follow-up question. The blood pressure of a particular age group of adults is normally distributed with the standard deviation 10 units. So this one is the population SD. The blood pressure of 16 randomly chosen adults in this age group was measured, and the results are given as below. So with this data, it is easy to find the sample mean. Part A, construct a 95% confidence interval, which means that you can set equals to 1.96. So I think this question again is pretty straightforward. Okay, so you can find the sample mean first, and then you can write down so a 95% confidence interval for the mean blood pressure would be set bar is 113 minus 1.96 times the SD is 10, and then the N is 16. 113 plus 1.96 times 10 divided by square root 16. So you will get the answer would be 108.1 and 117.9. Part B, it is claimed that the mean blood pressure of the population from which this group was sampled is in fact 11x unit. Does the confidence interval support this claim? Okay. 咁 obvious 就係唔 support 啦，咁因為呢個range 咧係由108.1到117.9嘅，咁佢呢個118咧就唔係 between 呢個interval 入邊嘅，咁好明顯佢哋就唔 support 呢一個嘅説法嘅，咁118啦 is not in the confidence interval. So of course it does not support this claim. Okay, so that's it for this question. The height of students in a school can be modeled by a normal distribution with the mean and the standard deviation. Suppose a random sample of the height from 100 students. So you have the n is 100. And then taken for a 95% confidence interval, which means that you can take z equals to 1.96. Okay, and also the confidence interval is given. 咁你發現咧呢條題目就同之前嗰兩條唔一樣啦。之前嗰兩條咧就係叫你揾個 confidence interval 嘅，咁而家咧就係俾咗個 confidence interval你，然後咧佢就唔俾你 mean， 亦都唔俾你 SD。唔俾呢兩個數字你，然後咧就叫你咧係揾翻出嚟。咁即係話咧，你都係用翻呢條公式，不過唔同嘅地方就係個 unknown 嘅位置唔同咗咯。 咁啊 set up 兩條嘅 equation， 咁你其實就可以 solve 到噶啦。咁啊 simultaneous equation 嚟嘅，咁你可以自己試一試做啊。咁啊 set up 兩條公式啦，咁跟住咧就 solve 佢。咁我諗都好容易啦，咁所以都唔使特別講啲乜嘢。咁 part B 咧就係叫你計埋另外一個 unknown 啦，咁亦都係一樣非常之容易嘅。咁啊，其實有好多種唔同嘅計法嘅，你可以將呢一個塞入去第一條式或者第二條式計個 SD 又得。你中意用個 width，OK， 2乘以呢一撇嘢就等於呢個減呢個又得。咁其實你點樣 solve 咧都冇問題嘅。Part C. How many more heights of students would have to be taken so that a 95% confidence interval for the mean height has a width of 10 cm。 咁我哋咧理解下呢一句講乜啦。咁首先呢個 width 咧係要10 cm 嘅，咁即係代表咧 part C 咧我就可以 set 咗咧就係個 width 咧係要10 cm 啦。咁跟住咧佢就問你咧我要加多幾多個 data。咁如果我要加多幾多個 data 嘅話咧，咁即係邊一樣嘢會有改變呢？ OK， 咁啊見到都仍然係95% 嘅，咁即係 set 係不變㗎啦。OK， 咁然之後個 population 都係冇改變嘅，咁即係話咧個 population 嘅 mean 啦、population 嘅 SD 咧都唔會改變嘅，咁即係你仍然係可以用翻呢一個嘅答案啦。咁但係咧呢一個答案咧就唔得嘅，因為如果你加啲人落去嘅話咧，咁嗰個 sample 個 mean 咧就肯定會改動啦，咁所以呢一個就唔可以再用噶啦。咁而加多咗啲 data 嘅話咧，咁即係話咧 n 咧就會升啦，咁即係 n 咧其實係有改動嘅。咁佢就問你咧加多幾多個人落去。OK， 咁我首先咧就 let 咗一個新嘅 number of size sample size 先啦。咁啊 width 嘅公式咧就係2個1.96乘以咁啊呢一個咧我哋用翻個 exact value 啦，咁我撳翻個 calc， 如果 exact value 咧係1525/49嘅，咁跟住咧 n 咧就係唔知嘅，就要等於10。咁啊撳一撳 calc 啦，咁就2乘以1.96，再乘以1525除49，再除以10，跟住再 square。咁我撳 calc 咧就撳到咧 n 咧係148.84嘅。OK， 咁但係佢問你咧係加多幾多個人？加多幾多個人？呢度係 total 幾多個人 ？OK， 咁所以咧我哋就要係149啦。減翻原本嘅100個人，咁即係話 total 係要加49個 data 落去先至得嘅。咁就做完啦。咁個 video 咧就嚟到呢一度。